Hello everyone, this is Harshavardhan Reddy Lingampalli and this is a group project on organization culture analysis for Microsoft and Google. This is the introduction. Microsoft and Google are two of the most iconic tech companies in the world, each with a dominant presence in its respective domain. Microsoft has been a forefront of technological innovation for decades, having developed some of the earliest versions of personal computing software like Windows operating system and Office productive suites. On the other hand, Google revolutionized search engines by providing internet users with fast and accurate information through their popular search engine platform. Organization structure is an essential element for the success of any company, and it can vary significantly among different companies. This is the organization structure of Microsoft. Microsoft Corporation has a hierarchical organization structure with several levels of management. The company's CEO leads the corporate management team, which oversees four main divisions: productivity and business process, intelligent cloud, more personal computing, and gaming. Each division has its vice president who reports directly to the CEO. This approach provides a clear chain of command as well as centralized decision making authority at higher levels. In contrast to Microsoft's hierarchical model, Google follows a flat organization structure where executives work collaboratively in teams without formal lines of authority or layers of management between senior leaders and frontline employees. In this system, every employee has an equal importance regardless of their job title or position within the company. Then comes staff. Staff of any organization is important in organization structure of any of the companies. So at Microsoft, employees are held to high standard of technical excellence. The company emphasizes performance metrics such as code quality, project management skills to ensure that its products meet or exceed customer expectations. While there is some degree of collaboration within teams at Microsoft, individual achievement takes priority over teamwork. In contrast, Google places more emphasis on creativity and innovation than strict adherence to protocols or process. At Google, team members are encouraged to think outside the box when solving problems or developing new technologies. This mindset fosters an atmosphere where experimentation is valued even if it means taking risks. And then comes core values. Microsoft and Google are two of the most famous tech companies around the world. The core values of the company represents its belief that shape its culture both internally among employees and externally with customers. Microsoft's core values are centered around doing more. It aims to empower people worldwide by providing them access to technology that enhances their ability to solve problems they face daily and helps them to achieve more than they thought was possible before using their products or services. On the other hand, Google has built its business on innovation since its inception. Hence, one would expect innovation as its primary core value, which is entirely correct along with the six others such as focus on the users, fast is better than slow, impact matters, amongst others, etc. are some of the core values of the Google. So from now on, my teammate Fatima will take over.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruqayya Fatima, and today I would like you to present a group project among two companies, Microsoft and Google. As introduction as done one of my colleague Nigampalli, from here I would like to continue the body case 1. Let us continue the body case 1 with the following ways. Microsoft Work Environment. Microsoft Work Environment is a technical game known for its Windows operating system and Office suites. Both drives work environment across its globe location. And Microsoft embraces a hybrid work model offering employees flexibility to work the office in remotely or from work from home. Like remotely is a best option where I can tell you in today's world where we can easily handle our project from anywhere. It's a blend of both. Whereas Google work environment, each Google company reflects a local culture and personality, offering unique experiences for employees around the world. Google actively encourages employees to innovate and experiment, fostering a sense of responsibilities and engagement. Offers benefits like meals, on-site amenities, gyms, and game room, generous parental leaves, and pet friendly. This is the best option where I believe the Google is providing us. I really love pets and I don't want my pet to be at home alone. So it's a really an amazing policy where Google offers even a pet friendly office. Whoa, isn't it great? Coming to the both culture versus among Microsoft and Google, Microsoft is focused on achieving Google and delivering results. It gives the priority on work-life balance. Microsoft invests in employees' training and development, offers opportunity for learning and skill enhancement. Microsoft offers a comprehensive benefits package like health insurance, paid up off, parental leave policies, which were started in 2021. Microsoft fosters employees' volunteer program and social responsibilities initiatives, whereas Google provides us like the formal and informal way. Microsoft Chambers provide office dedicating meeting rooms, professional attire, where Google Open Plan Office beanbag. Beanbags are like amazing feel to open an open work environment, isn't so? Whereas the power differential between Microsoft and executive is like Google, Microsoft provide executive offers with comfortable amenities, conventional with a leadership model, and the Google provide the open office beanbag in a professional wear with a professional attires. Coming to the gist of my body case one, Microsoft versus Google, the culture among both are different and where the employees can really enjoy their working balance among both the companies, I believe. So coming to an end, my body case one, in a conclusion, I would like you to say from here, my colleague Prakash will take over in a body case 2. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Prakash Gaud. As my colleague Fatima have ended case part 1, now I am going to continue case part 2. Let's start. Organization cultural analysis for Microsoft and Google. In this case part 2, like we have taken Microsoft and Google, the two power differentials. Microsoft execute Office with the comfortable and conventional leadership models. And collaborative spaces. Microsoft have dedicated meetings rooms with projectors and conference tables. Google, whereas Google flexible spaces, whiteboards, huddle zones, and informal the brainstorming areas. When it comes to employee experience, Microsoft, it is structured focused on individual work and results, whereas Google dynamic collaborations and focus on creativity and well-being on projects. Now it's Microsoft versus Google. So its cultural clashes in brief, shoots and structured teams defined, and whereas in Microsoft as a flat structure, strong focus and balance, complemented by flexible work. The similarities in organizational culture, the both companies offers competitive packages like salaries, bonus, and stock options. Both companies are tied in this area. Senior management, both the companies are tied in this area. And Microsoft has more formal organizational culture with Google practices with new elements that constantly refine in work culture. Microsoft believes in culture founded in growth mindset, and we have seen both the differences between Microsoft and Google. Microsoft executes Office with comfortable and conventional leadership models. We have here we can follow is a, like cycle productivity and deliveries on time and efficiency. Microsoft targets segments and Microsoft missions and vision statements. It comes server end users and making uh, project decisions and organizing the strategy in the correct format. The collaborative spaces by Microsoft dedicated meeting rooms with projectors with employees, and it comes to focus on main projects, and employees experience will share their knowledge to the product. And
Hi all, this is Mohua Shaha. It's our group presentation. Our topic is organizational culture analysis for Microsoft and Google. I am going to discuss about our last part of this topic. At the end of our discussion, we can say every organization has a different organizational culture. It plays a vital role in it. It affects how choices are made, how creativity is encouraged, and how workers interact with their work. Google's organizational culture is very friendly with their employees. Their culture encourages employees to think creatively and explore new ideas, and it increases productivity. This company follows organizational, philosophical, and technological values. These values made their organizational culture vibrant. On the other hand, Microsoft serves as an excellent example of organizational culture. They follow a discrimination-free work environment for their employees. It supports them in achieving their business goals and innovation. In addition, Microsoft and Google have a good rating, which is based on their organizational culture. It is essential to maintain an appropriate culture. That's why these two companies encourages meritorious people to be part of their organization from every part of the world.